How to draw an angry bird. Boys and girls, I'm going to show you some shapes here. Here is a triangle. We're going to be using some triangles in our angry bird. And here is a small triangle. So we're going to be using some large and small triangles. Here is like a half moon or a semicircle. And the good old rectangle. Boys and girls, you're going to draw a circle in the middle here. Just try the best you can to make a circle. Then you're going to find your center of the paper, because we are drawing an angry bird kind of looking at us. Make a circle here and make another circle on the other side. This is his eyes. It don't have to be perfect because this guy's going to have a lot of personality. I can see that already. This eye is bigger than this one, but it's okay. It's all okay. Or if you want to, you can come down here and make this a little bit rounder and then do a little erasing. You want to erase because you want to make the two circles a little bit better. Then it's called an angry bird because of its eyebrows. So we're going to make a rectangle shape here. That's a rectangle. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this without being in the way of the camera. Let me try it over here. I'm going to make a line right above his eye right there. Another line right above it. See the rectangle there, boys and girls? It's a rectangle. Now, an angry bird, to make it angry, we're going to have to make his eyebrows flare out a little bit. So to make them flare out, we're going to make that rectangle flare out at the very end. Come over here and do the same thing. Make it flare out. Because he's angry. We're going to make a beak, bring a line coming down. The beak is going to be made out of triangles. A triangle has 3 sides. There's the right triangle, and we're going to put another triangle on the left-hand side. Here's one triangle, and here's the other triangle. Then we're going to put a triangle below it. It's like a V here. And the back side of the triangle is behind his beak here. Then our little guy has a white stomach area here. At the top he has his big feathers. Now boys and girls, I'd rather you use crayons. And I'm going to use a marker because crayons don't really smear, but markers you got to be really good using a marker because markers do smear. So first we're going to go around the circle here. The lines that we drew, we're going around now with our crayon, or I'm going around with a black marker.
Oh no, the artiste is getting in my way. It's kind of making the angry bird feel a little angry. You're doing it again, lady. You're blocking the kids. They can't see me. I can't see them either.
Back to the black marker.
Thank you.
Now, let's do this first eyebrow like that. See how I flared it out and colored it in? I'm going to come over here to the second eyebrow.
Okay, you're blocking my view again. You know, I can see you now. I can see you.
Let's outline the first eye on the right. That's the right hand side. Then let's make our left eye. Put the pupil over here. Draw our line straight down to make this first triangle on the right. And then let's outline our second triangle. And make your V here. Over the stomach part. There we go. Get your red marker. Get your red marker. And let's color in. And those of you using crayons, color with your crayons.
Lady,
Color in.
excuse
And
me.
those of you using crayons,
You're
color with
making
your
me a
crayons.
little angry, but they say angry birds are not good. But acting on your anger is not good.
Jump over the black is gonna smear
There you
it.
are. I see
Go
you.
around the black. Yes, you can. I'm going real fast, but you boys and girls don't have to go fast. Just take your time. No, color it in. Let's look at his beak here. And I want you to get your yellow crayon and fill in these two triangles up here. See here? It's starting to smear. You touch that black, so be very careful if you have markers. Then get orange and do the bottom beak, the orange. And to finish our picture, we're going to do the background. I'm going to color it in all blue. And this makes our angry bird pop out, because if he's on white, it really doesn't do too much for him. He's cute, but he's cuter when he has a background. He's like he's flying in the sky, boys and girls. Let's try to spell his name after we finish coloring. Capital A N G R Y is angry and bird. Capital B I R D, and there's your angry bird.